Hey everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Nidarmin Magiri, and today we are going to explore how to create an LCD digit display using Python. This project replicates how digital appears on calculator using the classic 7 segments display logic. Let's start with the introduction. In this project, we are going to use a Python script to display digit in a format that resemble those on digital display like calculator and clock. It works interactively and supports scaling the digit with a size variable. Let's go with the introduction. The LCD digital display mimics calculator style number. Use 7 segment logic for visual display. Display digit in large scalable ASCII format. ASCII format is a format in which the number are displayed in large and scalable, which can be go which can be go with the given width and interactive with user input. A 7 segment display has 7 segment labeled A through G, which is the segment's alphabetical order names. By turning on specific segments, we can form any digit from 0 to 9. This is how old digit watches or microwave display works. If you seen, if you see uh, a microwave and or a oven, you get a digital format numbering or a digital format alphabets. So there is an use of this code to run that digital in microwave, or if you see a clock, a watch, which displaying the numbers in digital format, which is basically a light which bulbs, and it bulbs through the 7 segments. The input which is going to give from the code, it comes from this 7 segment display. Let's go with my fourth slide. Segment map. We create a dictionary called segment map in our code. It maps each digit from 0 to 9 to the segments that should light up. For example, 0 uses segment A, B, C, D, E. If we get an idea of also F, if we get an idea of 0, there is a segment which horizontal, vertical. I'll give you a live example by running the code. You can get it from that. Before implementing the code, first we get to understand what is 0. 0 in digital display. I don't mean that 0 in digital display. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, which can be able to display by this 7 segment alphabetical order in which the width is important. Here you can give the width first, and thus the display, whatever the LCD display is going to be, come there in output, that will be depending on that width. If you see an example of 1 uses B and C, and 2 uses A, B, G, E, D, 3 uses A, B, G, C, D. This is how it goes through, like 1 to 9, 0 to 9. Let's go with my fifth slide. Segment position logic. The get lines function determine which part of each digit are visible. It uses if condition to check which segment are active and creates the top, middle and bottom horizontal lines along with the vertical lines. Basically, I have been said that the segments are represented in dash formats. Here, the horizontal, top, bottom, whatever the lines are, it just given position to that line. Let's go with the constructive lines. Constructing lines, each digit is built using 5 main parts: the top line, the upper vertical line, the middle line, the lower vertical line, and the bottom line. The variable S determines how big or tall each part should be. Basically, S is a size of any alphabetical order. Let's go with my seventh slide, which is main loop and input. The program runs in a loop using the user asking the user to input the digit size and the number to display. For example, if we enter 2, so it will be displayed in a format of 2. Let's have an example first, then you get an idea what I'm telling to give you input. Here you can see 2 width has been given for the example and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number has been displayed. Let's check the code first and then we will get an idea what I'm saying. See here, I have inputted the segment map which we already explained before video, where 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 9, like see here 0 replicates A B C D E F, 1 replicates B C. So this is how the program is going to work. And here the segment lines, where the top, upper, middle, lower, bottom lines are going to be displayed in a format of segments. For digit n, here is the for loop has been used for the number of lines which are going to be displayed in a display. Let's go for the output. I'm going to give the width 3 and putting the number 4, 5, 6. See the output. So here, if you observe 3 width, where the 3 dashes, the 3 segments, basically we known as segments. The 3 segments are displayed the number in a format of digital format. I'll try 5 and 8, 9 will be my number. Let's see the output. See, 5 segments were coming in a code. So it's run like this. So let's move on to the PPT. I hope you are clear with the idea of how the digital display is going to be have the output. That's why the people who were learning the code, who were building the code for digital, they used to do the 7 segment, the very important sector of this program. They use that and build the project. Now let's go with the we have done with the live demo. I hope you are clear with the live demo. Now I hope you are clear with the code also, because here we have using the 3 and 5 segments and you are clear with that. Let's go with the conclusion. This project helps you to understand how to manipulate strings and implement display logic in Python. It's a simple yet engaging way to learn programming concepts like loop, condition, and dictionaries. Teaches the logic and formatting in Python, fully scalable using size and variable. You have seen that it's fully scalable. If you put it the width, it gives the output using that width number only. And engaging and visual, definitely yes, it's very much easy to visualize the code and also visualize the LCD display. If you have any question, you can comment down on my YouTube channel. Definitely I'll going to answer you, and surely I'm going to answer you. So I hope you are clear with LCD display. I'm glad to have this PPT presentation in front of you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query, comment down. Thank you so much, guys.